Hi guys, what's up for another video. Today we'll be showing you how to fix internal server error on your GCash app. Of course, first thing you want to do is go to your GCash on your mobile phone. But since I'm using a PC, um, I will be going to GCash Help Center and then go to your account, the same thing on your mobile phone, and then kindly scroll down till you see Manage App, and then click on Troubleshoot Login or GCash App Issues. And then here you can see that they're offering different steps, different options that could fix your internal server error on your GCache. And kindly click on one of these options to follow the step-by-step ways on how to troubleshoot your issues. Once you're done with that, and if it's still not working, just kindly switch your mobile number as indicated here, and then proceed to switch accounts and then enter your GCash number and your MPIN. So if that still did not fix your problem, you might want to change your network connection because the problem might be on your network. So make sure that you're using a stable internet connection. And if that still does not work, just force close and restart your GCash app and then clear your app cache if you're using Android. And yeah, if that still does not work, you might want to make sure that you have an updated version of GCash app. As indicated here, this is the current version because some of the problems that are arising are because of unupdated um, features that are not yet registering to your app. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this solves your problem. Have a nice day.